Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to assign tasks in Slack. Now, at first, just go ahead and go to your Slack software, or just simply open up a browser and go to Google and search for Slack. After that, simply go to slack.com. And after that, you'll be brought to this login screen. Just sign in with your email or Gmail or Apple account. And after that, you'll be introduced to My Workspace. And from here, just launch any of the workspace. Just give it some time. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. Then after like 2 seconds, it will load the workspace for you. And from here, what you have to do is just go ahead and click on Files. From Files, under All Files, you'll find different kind of templates. You can also click on this plus icon next to Files to create your own file, which is a canvas. Or you can just go to Canvas and search for the templates. Now from the templates, I'll select this one for now. This is basically a project brief template. In here, you can tell your team about your project, the main objective, the target audience, and whatever. You can give them a checklist to do whatever they want to do or whatever the task requires to do. And you can also assign them. Just mention them to assign them. Just type at and their name. You can also assign the teammates. And after doing all this, you just have to save it here. And the assignees can see the assigned task for them. And basically that is it. And that is how to set up assignment of task in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.